Hey, Dana here. And with my vlog around the house. Well, it's day 2, replacing the submergible water pump in my well. And outside temp is about 49 degrees today. About where I'm at right now. I'm gonna start digging. I'm level with the ground here now. Okay, well here's day number 4, and unfortunately it rained last night and filled in my entire. I dug this out so I could drain it, but it was full. It was straight across from where I dug it out just a little while ago. So I got to drain in where it drains underneath the driveway. That's the thing. It took me about 4 hours to dig it out this far. I'll be get to the fitting, get it disconnected, yank that pipe all the way out. I'm not sure how far. I'm hoping it's not the 70 feet that I'm estimating, because it's going to take it way down to that tree down there. And then get the pump back, get the new pump on there, and drop it back in there. Get it connected, and I'll have water again. Yeah, full water again. So right now it's just putting out. It's just putting out enough for us to have water. Probably about 25 psi. Or 25 gallons a minute maybe, at around 10 psi or so. But got to get it done. As you can see, it was a rainy day. Been a holding out rainy day all day, and I think it's start going down Monday in temperature. I think we're about 49 degrees right now, 50 degrees. So I got to get this done before things start to freeze, especially myself freezing. So. All right. Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog. Today, I gotta pull that pump. This is around the house, and I've got a pump. Submergible pump in my well I got to pull out, and fortunately I got like 2 days here of good weather. Hey, of good weather. Friday, this is Tuesday. Friday, it's going down into the 20s, and I don't want to be doing this thing in the 20s. So I gotta get this pump out of the ground. Right now I gotta build an adapter so I can adapt to it. These aren't that tight. That's good. And here's actually an adapter. What I'm making right now is a T-handle. Maybe. I need a new. Somebody want to send me a new vice? I appreciate it. Man. Alright, I'm gonna build myself. Gotta build a T-handle. Yeah, you can follow the ground again. Let's see. I'm putting that thing on the end of something over here. Oh, you know what I need? I need my freaking hat on my head. That's what I need. Now I got you on my hat. I got that. I got another. And by the way, these are like $7 a piece. Not cheap. Just for a probably once in 5 years here. Alright. So when I get a second, it's gonna go right on here. Alright, takes care of that. Now, my only thing is, I gotta figure out how long it is down there into that hole. Last I knew it was like 7. It was 7 feet. And I just had a pipe that had an adapter on it. And my question is, there it is. How big is that? How big is that adapter down there? Oh shoot. We'll see. I don't know how deep it is. I would have used this one here. The only thing is, I don't have any thread on the end. So, my question is exactly how, because that's 60 inches. I'm going to probably have to use one of these after all. Because I don't think it's, I think it's too short. I think when I measured it, it was 8 feet down there. I got a bunch of adapters and stuff like that when I was doing some another one of these. Skinny one, huh? Yeah, but okay. What I'll do is I'll check. I'm gonna check adapter size. I gotta put it in there. Oh, that's like the same size. Oh, okay. It's in good shape. I think that'll fit around the end of the other one. I don't need that one. Let's see. I'll put it on the end of the. Oh, God, what the heck? Give me the. Get the. Clean the threads up. That's like 1.5 inches, and I don't know. Clean them threads. Okay, there's that one. I've got more. I do another. That's a smaller adapter. Same freaking size. Bigger one. Smaller ones. Go on that one. Alright, so right now I think that's, I got a 3/4, 1 inch right now. So let's see. how we do here. Little pipe wrench here. Alright, let's go see what we can see. See, I made a freaking mess in here because I wasn't sure if I was going to have to dig down and get that connection there, but find out I didn't. Get over there. Tighten this down just in case I don't fall down in there. That'd be very tight. Okay, pull this off of here, and see, they've actually put an adapter on top of the steel pipe. I'm unlucky to have to, unlucky, have to do that, and that sucker is off on a corner here. I think I'm looking right at it right now. I don't know if you can actually. The problem is my good old thing is not at a straight angle. I may have to clean this thing out. Over the years, the wall has been pushing this way, and it has thrown the PVC pipe at an angle, and this is going to be difficult to line anything up. I may still have to freaking clean this out around here just to get a straight shot down. Man, because I just can't go straight down on this. This wall has pushed in on this. And this is why my little PVC pipe here is broke, because of this wall. So I guess I'm gonna have to dig around this wall, get it dug down. That'll be good because I can fill in my hole here and go from there, because